Hello! This short video will show you how to install JMP on a Winona State University laptop. There are two links on the screen, the top for a PC and the bottom is for a Mac. What these links do are just show you how to gain access to the Software Center, and that is where the software packages that are available to Winona State students can be found. I'm using a PC here, so I will use their or that web page. It'll be similar for a Mac. Okay, so here's the web page for accessing the Software Center. Essentially what I need to know is just how to get to the Software Center. And on a PC, how I do that is just selecting the search bar in the lower left-hand corner and typing in Software Center. It'll take a moment here. Here you can see the software that is available to Winona State students. We're going to want to select the JMP Pro, as that's what software we are wanting to install. We simply select the install icon here, and then just proceed through the installation process. I will pause the video here, as this will take a couple of minutes, and then I'll show you what JMP looks like before leaving the video. Okay, now that JMP has successfully installed, to access the software, we can just again go in the search bar and type JMP. The version of JMP that we have here on campus is JMP Pro 15. This is what JMP looks like. And to get started, we can go under File, New, and select New Data Table. And this is where our data can go, which we can use for our analysis. Okay, hopefully that helps you get JMP installed onto your WSU laptop. Thank you. Have a good day.